if you are using OTOM before, or if you are using OTOM for the first time, you may notice that the general pictures of the OTOM a little bit change, and also they add some new functionalities. First, we need to activate the software. So as you see, the geometrical parameters have now new icons. And if you hover with the mouse on it, you will see the tooltip of the mouse indicating geometrical parameters. You could click on it and see the geometrical parameters. Also the same for the icons for the process parameters and the computational parameters. We have here the GPU accelerator. When you click on it, the GPU icon will show up, which indicating that a GPU will be used for the analysis. To know that which functions support the GPU, we have the GPU icon here. So indicate that it works based on the GPU and CPU as this rectangular shape, which is half. This GPU icon indicates that this function only works based on the GPU. We have some update on the functionality, for example, on the free winding on the tape. The representation of the icons was a little bit updated comparing to the previous versions. And also we have a new set of the icons here for rotating the camera view and the scene view. We also have new functionality and functions, including the layout builder and the UOT-CRT initializations. And of course, we have a continuous optical thermal models, which is used to simulate the optical thermal behavior on the complex shapes, where the different layers in different directions will be placed on a CAD model. We also have a new functionality as mesh adjustment, where you could import the node data and element data and assemble it, and also assign a descent to indicate that a bunch of nodes, for example, can be at the upper surface or bottom surface. We also support the AI GPT tool to help the user to interact with it and ask their questions. Overall, this new version is more responsive and is trying to be more user-friendly to the users, so the user can easily follow the functions and understand how each function works, and to get the result as soon as possible, because the performance was also increased comparing to the previous versions. Here at this area, we have the icons of the license. So if you are using the license of the software from your organizations, the icons of your organization will show up here. And this indicates that the license of your organization is connected to the server of the OTOM. So if you go with the mouse on some of this calculate button, you will see that this animation will pop up, which indicates that if you start on it, the calculation will start. determinations function was also another change which has a little bit different looks comparing to the previous version, indicating these icons for the removing and adding the new path. This version is also connected to the OTOM AFP viewer more seamlessly than before. So any UOT and COT thermal analysis will be easily post-processed with OTOM AFP viewer. With OTOM AFP viewer, you can also check the crystallinity and also optical ray tracing, which will be done here as optical analysis, and then you could see the result as an interaction of the rays and reflections there in the OTOM AFP viewer.